Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. It is another episode in Mother T's Kitchen. If today is your first time of stopping by my video, you are especially welcome. To my returning viewers, thanks for always engaging in my videos. In today's episode, Goodness will be cooking porridge beans for us. Start with, we have
honey beans here.
Let's measure out our beans. This is 1 cup. 2, 3. 4 cups of beans. Goodness will be doing that. Goodness, are you ready? Yes, of course. I have to help Goodness to select this so that the work will be faster.
When selecting beans, be careful so to avoid stones.
Nice seeing you again.
Yes, thank you.
Goodness, I think we are done. What's next?
To parboil the beans.
Okay. You can go ahead.
Okay, now the beans is parboiled, so I have to wash it now before I boil it.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.
I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and give it a thorough wash.
Okay.
Yes. I heard somewhere that if you don't parboil beans, it's pot. I don't know how true that is.
It's very true. So when you parboil it like this, it will reduce the gaseous content in the beans.
Okay.
Yes. Add onion or spoon. It will help it cook faster.
Add the beans.
Okay.
Cover it. Cook till it's done.
Okay.
Before we continue.
All right.
Let's blend the pepper.
All right. Is it only pepper that you're blending?
Yes. I'll slice the onions and the
Tomatoes.
add a little water.
All right.
To help it blend.
Okay.
That's okay.
All right. So you're slicing the fresh tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's check if our beans is done. The beans is not yet done.
Okay.
Let's give it a little time.
All right.
Drop the city and country watching us from in the comment section. We send you special greetings in our next video. My today's special greetings goes to Mesoma in Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for always engaging in my videos.
The cooking process is going so well.
Yes.
Blended pepper, right?
Yes. Stir it and allow it to fry.
Okay.
Then add salt,
Okay.
seasoning cubes, crayfish,
Okay.
afram. We turn it into our cooked beans.
Okay.
Then we are going to turn this very well together with the beans.
All right.
What do you have to say about Goodness cooking? She has done so well because cooking is not easy, let alone cooking on camera. If you're interested in showing us your cooking skills, indicate in the comment section, okay? This is one of the ways I like eating my porridge beans. I paired it with cassava flakes, aka gari. Goodness is patiently waiting for me to test the beans to tell her the result. Like this video, comment and share. Now tell me, how do you like eating your porridge beans? Family, bring spoon, let's taste the food together. Let's know if Goodness did well or not. Goodness heart is cutting. This is good. Goodness, this is good. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.